Yeah, folks, I'm down at the Thai Curry Corner, and it just happens to be St. Patrick's Day here next to Checkpoint Bar. So there's a lot of action here. This is a beautiful place. They used to be up in La Mulata. We're going to go and talk to the boss man, Pascal. You can come and dine here any day in the shade and sit over here. It's usually, of course, very quiet and peaceful here on a daily basis. Senor Pascal, hola.
Hey, welcome to Thai Curry Corner.
Thank you. And please tell the viewers what they can expect when they come down here, what sort of meals you make, drinks you have, and other services.
When you come to my place, you can enjoy and taste the flavors of Thailand. Also, we have some cold beers, we have fresh natural juices, some wine, coffee, desserts. I have a weekly special that changes every week to offer a little bit more of a variety. You also find me on Google with the same name, Thai Curry Corner. There's the menu, photos, and some reviews about my little place here.
And Comida app.
And exactly, I'm on Comida app, so from the comfort of your home, you can order some food and you get it delivered through the Comida app, or if you call the 809-913-2159, or you write a message on WhatsApp, you can order and have a takeout pickup.
Just mention 5 of the top dishes.
Oh, the spring rolls are an all-time favorite, then the curries, the skewers, and let's say the fish curry with the fresh dorado.
Fantastic. So come down here, treat your taste buds,
Exactly.
and I'll just show you the opening hours here. Thank you, Pascal. We've got Tuesday to Saturday, 2 o'clock to 9 p.m., Sunday, 5 p.m. to 9 p.m., and Monday's closed. All right, folks, so come try their delicious food. They have a variety of drinks as well. Over and out.